This is the Bluetooth car speakerphone. Unboxing. Included in the package is a speakerphone. You're going to want to press down for 5 seconds to select the language, if the language is different from the preferred language. Here we have the user manual. Visor clip. And vehicle power adapter. And USB charging cable. So at the top we have the answer in, so you can answer in calls. Then we have the voice command, ask direction of traffic, answer calls, etc. Then the volume control, adjust volume to preference, and the speaker. And this is where the audio comes out. This is the USB charging port, so you use it to charge your device. Next we have the on-off switch, so just turn it on or off.
Connected.
Call home.
Calling home. Home.
Tell me how to get to the nearest gas station.
Speedway is 4 minutes from your location by car in light traffic. Here are your directions. Head east on Oakdale Street toward Southdale Avenue. In 600 feet, turn left onto Southdale Avenue.
Tell me directions to the nearest Japanese restaurant.
Tokyo Japanese Steakhouse and Sushi is 9 minutes from your location by car in light traffic. Here are your directions. Head east on Oakdale Street toward Southdale Avenue. Head east on Oakdale Street toward Southdale Avenue.
Tell me how traffic is on I-5.
There's heavy traffic in I-5.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
What game are you playing?
Prisoner Zombies Garden Warfare 2.
Do you really like that game?
Yes.
What's your favorite part of the game? What do you like most about the game?
There's lots of cool quests and stuff. And you can customize your character. And you can choose if you want to be the Plants and the Zombies team.
Alright. Thank you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me pretty clear?
Yes.
So what's your favorite game?
My favorite game is Modern Warfare 2.
Why?
Because there's lots of cool quests and you can customize your character.
Alright, thank you. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.